Let us discuss question number 6.6. Let me read the question. Please take down. A circular coil of radius. A circular coil of radius. So there is a version conflict. Anyway, let me note down this question. So a circular coil of radius 8.0 centimeter and 20 turns is rotated. 20 turns is rotated about its vertical diameter. With an angular speed of 500, not 500, 50 radian per second in a uniform horizontal magnetic field of magnitude 3.0 into 10 power minus 2 Tesla. Obtain the maximum and the average EMF. In the coil, induced in the coil. If the coil forms a closed loop of resistance 10 ohm, calculate the maximum value of the current in the coil. Calculate the average power loss due to joule heating. Where does this power come? So first question, second question, and third question, then fourth question and fifth question. So there are 5 questions asked here. Now the concept here is the power formula. P average is given by I naught divided by root 2 into E naught divided by root 2. Then induced EMF E is equal to NBA omega. If it is a varying current, then you can call it E is equal to NBA and then omega because we differentiate it, is it not? So omega sin omega t. And we already discussed for maximum EMF, sin omega t is equal to 1. Why? Because it forms the sinusoidal wave. Do you remember? I was discussing about this. Okay. So with this, let us proceed. Now, solution. The first one, that is E naught, that is the maximum EMF. So E naught is nothing but number of turns of coil, magnetic field, area, omega, angular velocity. So that is equal to how much? What is N? 20. Magnetic field 3.0 into 10 power minus 2. Area pi r squared, is it not? So pi r squared means 3.14 into, and you change this r, centimeter means 8 in point 0 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Okay, so that's that much meter square. Now do it, work out. Omega. So let us include omega 50 radian per second. Okay, do it. So the correct answer is 0.603 volt. So this is the, when you put E naught, which is nothing but the peak voltage, that is peak EMF here, induced EMF, maximum induced EMF, right? Then what is given here? Average. So average means what? That is the average value of one complete cycle is, on one side it is 0.603, other side minus 0.603. It means it is zero. Write down. So the average value over one complete cycle is zero. Why? On both sides this is E0 means this is minus E0. So average will be zero. Then what is the next question? So we have given the first question answer, second question answer. These two are over. Third one, what is I max? That is I naught. So what is the equation for I naught? I naught is equal to R naught by R. Get down. I naught is equal to R naught divided by capital R. Okay. Not R naught, E naught. E naught by R, capital R. So what is E naught value? 0.603 divided by, and what is the resistance there? Because they are given as 10 ohms at resistance. Okay. So divided by 10, it means 0.0603 ampere. Okay. Resistance is given 10 ohms. So third value is also obtained. And fourth one, P average. So what is P average? Fourth one. P average is equal to, so it is given by I naught divided by root 2 into E naught divided by root 2. So root 2 into root 2, 2. So what is I naught? I naught just now we found 0.0603 into E naught value, that is 0.603. Okay, so obtain the answer. So you can make it as 6.03 into 10 power minus 1. And what about this? 2. And here 6.03 into 10 power minus 1 whole divided by 2. So it means 3 2s are 6, 0, 6 2s are 12, 5. So 3.065 into 6.03 into 10 power minus 3. Get me the answer. So approximately 18 into 10 power minus 3. So P average is equal to 0.018 watt. And the source of power. So that is the final question asked here. Take down the source of power is the battery. That's all. External source or motor when it is rotating for a rotating rod.